How to create character on Character.AI. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch and follow this video till the end. First, open your Character.AI, and after opening your Character.AI, you just have to go directly and click on this plus icon. Click on character and choose the name. For example, I would choose this name. Click next and describe what your character look like. I don't know, for example, monster. Click next. So you can choose your voice or change it if you don't like it. For me, I would just keep this voice. Here I have to make a greeting. Click here next, and if I want to make it private or unlisted or public, I will just make it private. Click next, and if you want to add subtitle or description or character definition, for me we just create it as well. Right now it will take me to another page. And here guys, congratulations, you have created your character on Character.AI. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.